Hello guys, my name is Harry and this is my review. So guys, in today's video I'd like to share with you on how this side mirror retracting system works. But first of all, let us know that most of these modern cars, they come with different side mirrors systems. We have cars which they come with side mirrors like this, but we have other cars they come with just mounted cameras, whereby the view of the back of the car can be seen by the car display or the car dashboard system. But for this car, it comes with this kind of side mirrors, and there are two of them, the right one and the left one, and we have other one on the left. But also we have this in the center as well. This is special for trying to see if there is an object on the back. But all of them, they are operated by the electronics or by the electronic components. I can show you guys right here. So this is the control, and you can control them by two means. The first one, you can retract and unretract them. Right now they are retracted, but I can, if I press this button here, you can see they are folding. But if I press it back here again, you can see they are retracting. So that's the first one to control. The second one to control, you can pen this mirror either up, down, left or right, and I can show you guys. So to activate that, you have to choose which mirror you want. If you want the right mirror, first one you have to press this one, to the right, and then you can pen it. Very far from my view, but also I can bring it back to my view. But also I can pen it up, and I can pen it down. But also on the other one, if I wanted to set the left side mirror, I just control here, I select to the left. This is the left one, the first one, and then I will start using this fourth control depending to my desired position. So you can see to the up or below. And remember, all of these window or side mirrors retracting system are meant to assist the driver so that he can clearly see some of the blind spots on the back of the car, or if there is other vehicle which is coming, or if there is somebody else or anything on the back of the car. But also the assistance of this mirror inside this, you can set like this, whereby you can clearly see on the back what is going on around your car, or if somebody is close to the car. So that's how this side mirrors retracting system works. And the system is electronically, so everything is, you can control by the side of here, and this can only be controlled from the driver's side. On the passengers, no passenger can control them. So that's all, guys. Thanks for watching. I hope to see you on the next one.
Like, comment, and subscribe.